Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy. Today is more of a tutorial how to measure your head for a wig. We a lot of times get asked by our clients, how do I measure my head for a wig? Well, this video is going to help you and walk you through the steps. But first what you need is you need a measuring tape. Any cloth measuring tape will do. You'll also need a pen and a piece of paper to write down your measurements. For your circumference, you're going to want to start at your hairline, and you're going to want to go around there. So 21.75 inch is my circumference. So you'd write that down, 21.75. Now write down your own measurements. Now for the front to back, take right from the front, and you're gonna go all the way down to where that hairline ends. You'll wanna write that measurement down. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the ear to ear. The ear to ear is the most difficult measurement, and a lot of times where clients are mismeasuring. This is to give you the easiest way possible is what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. First I find on my measuring the 7 inches. We wanna find where your top point is on your head. We're going to measure from the hairline back 7 inches. Now I'm going to keep my finger there. I'm going to spin this around. I'm going to go to the top of my ear. So I'm going to say that that is actually 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches from my top point here to my ear on the left. This is my left side. Now I'm going to keep that finger there. I'm going to rotate my measuring tape, and I'm gonna go to this side. It's 6.5 to the top of the ear. So my ear to ear is 13 inches. This is how you measure your head for a wig. If you need any further assistance, please leave us a comment or reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. We have a live chat feature during our business hours. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.